Hello and welcome. I'm Chavi Sompura and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Aussies to swelter in 45 degrees heat in Australia. South Australian residents are set to swelter this week, with temperatures in one area tipped to range a whopping 45 degrees Celsius. The Bureau of Meteorology has issued a warning for South Australian residents as severe thunderstorms, extreme fire dangers and strong blistering winds pass over the state this week. Driven by a low pressure trough, temperatures are forecast to climb well above the average for this time of the year. We are looking at temperatures 8 to 15 degrees above the average, said senior meteorologist. According to Weather Zone, temperatures could reach up to 45 degrees Celsius in the Northwest Pastoral District on Sunday. Among the heat will be blustery north-northwesterly winds which are expected to hit several states. Warm, gusty north to northwesterly winds will stream across parts of South Australia, Victoria, Tasmania and even parts of NSW. On Thursday, residents can expect thunderstorms moving eastwards from the southern region of South Australia to westwards parts of Victoria. It's not just South Australians facing a wild week of weather, with maximum temperatures forecast to vary by a whopping 15 degrees across Australia. The Bureau forecasts temperatures to rise by up to 10 degrees higher than the seasonal average. At the same time, Melbourne is set to close out the week with a maximum of just 19 degrees Celsius. Temperatures in Victorian capital are tipped to seesaw, with 21st degrees Celsius forecast for Tuesday, 30 degrees Celsius on Thursday and then back down to 19 degrees Celsius on Friday. In Sydney, the maximum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius on Monday. By Friday, it's tipped to rise to 32 degrees Celsius. Likewise, Adelaide is forecast for a maximum of just 21 degrees Celsius on Tuesday, rising to 29 degrees Celsius on Wednesday before falling back to 21 degrees Celsius on Friday. By Saturday, the temperature in the city of Churches is forecast to be back up to 28 degrees Celsius. Brisbane, meanwhile, is set to be a bit more consistent, with a maximum temperature of 26 degrees Celsius forecast for Tuesday, rising to 28 degrees Celsius on Friday. The fluctuations come as warm air from the Australian interior collides with cold fronts sweeping across the southeast. Hobart temperatures are expected to rise from 17 degrees Celsius on Tuesday to 26 degrees Celsius on Thursday, before falling again, while Canberra temperatures will likely rise from 22 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius by Thursday. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.